Cari dulu nih, Nyet. Cari dulu kemana ya? Kita pas pakai lapras gak sih? Gak bisa ya? Pakai jaingnya gak sih? Balik aja ya. Jangan aja, Nyet. Aduh, apa sih? Yang tiba. Lu manggil siapa lu? Males lewat. Next tutlan aja gak sih? Ada bebek. Wih, itu tuh, ada itu Zygarde. Oh iya, dia mau ke reruntuhan. Apalagi? Profesor. Bapaknya kuku ya? Dah. Oak aja. Hitam banget, hitam. Gokil. Ini tempat apa? Kue ya? Ini tempat beli baju. Baju Cina ada nggak sih ya? Tapi jangan belanja baju mulu aja. Boros. Lah itu tuh ya, yang bawa Mosdel. Namanya Musdalifah air. Iya. Been a while, friend. My name is Lily. Marah dia, marah. Musiknya epic loh. Terus kita naik gitu ya. Gue curiga mah cewek rambut ungu tuh. Siapa ya? Ini kayak gym leadernya deh. Kayak Mimikyu deh. Pokemonnya kelihatan banget kayaknya. The empty sky broke asunder, a whole upbringing where had been known a single beast appeared from in it. It was called the beast that devoured the sun, the king of all about forever. Baca sekilas ya, baca sendiri. Isn't it great? My dad books are all great. What I mean, yes, it is, but when you say your father, isn't this book very old? Yeah, it belonged to my dad. I know I don't look it, but my family used to be pretty much royalty. I had to have all my dad book move here, so they didn't get ruined by the Pokemon. I can tell you lots of other old story about Alola too. You interested? Well, that will be wonderful. I would be delighted if you did. I think I'll stay here, but I know why you've come to Ula Ula. You will be undergoing another trial once you June. Good luck with it. I read that Ula Ula Island electric type trial can. Oh, ini elektrik ya? Rute 10 nya. Iya, heal dulu nggak sih? Explore dulu, di sini ada apaan? Siapa tahu dikasih sesuatu. Iya kan? Dapat pen 7. Fly, bro. Gonna die, bro. Dia jadi Johto ya. Wah. Dulu bro, di mana ya? Disuruh kertas 10 ya? Tapi heal dulu lah.